Put it out the coupe in the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box.
Northside cooling, shawty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up on my.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how I put my big hair under this wig and how I basically lay down my wig. The wig I'll be using in my video is this wig. It is from Affordhair. Inside the box there are a pair of eyelashes, as you can see. This is what the eyelashes look like, and they come in a sparkly box, and a wig cap, and this is actually a pack of 2 wig caps, which is really good, and obviously the wig comes inside as well. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It's a 20-inch burgundy wig with a 13x4 lace front, and it is 150% density. It also has a pre-plucked parting, as you can see. I'm just going to put it on top of my braids just to show you what it looks like before I actually put it on properly. So this is what it looks like on top of my braids. You can see that the parting just already blends in with my skin, which is amazing. But obviously I'm going to install this wig to make it look even more realistic, so I'm going to pluck the parting a bit more and obviously hide my hair underneath. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. There are some clips inside the wig to help you secure, and the wig also comes with this elastic which you can remove from the wig cap, and this helps you secure the wig even more. Not all wigs have this, but this wig does have it, so you can just clip it in here and adjust it to the size you want, like so, and that will help secure your wig. Obviously I have big hair, so I actually take them out of the wig because I don't need to have my head secured because it is already quite tight on my head. But if you're worried about the sizing, these adjustable straps help you with the sizing of the wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically try and put my hair flat as I can onto my head, and then I will just get my wig cap and put on the wig cap. I'm just leaving this part open because I need to get my hair gel and push my hair back as far as I can. So I'm getting the hair gel and just making sure all my edges are brushed back. I made sure to braid my hair as flat as possible, but I'm not the best at braiding hair, so I could only do 3 on each side, but it's good enough for the wig. I also made sure that I did get the wig enlarged because my hair is very, very big, like extremely big, so it makes it a struggle to put wigs on and make them look natural. The next step is to customize the wig. So I'm going to be customizing the wig by plucking the hairline and also cutting the lace. My technique to pluck the wig is to pluck the hair that's directly in the parting and then thin out the hair around that area. Now I'm using mousse to flatten the top of the wig. And straightening the hair a bit. I'm not straightening the hair bone straight, but I'm just straightening the top of the wig. Now I'm clipping the hair back and cutting the lace. I'm making sure that the lace isn't cut in a straight line so it looks more natural. I prefer to cut the lace before gluing the wig and adjusting it later if I need to. If you prefer to apply your wig to your head and then cut the lace, then you can do that if you want. So I'm getting my got to be glued and I am using a toothbrush to apply it. I use the same toothbrush for my edges, so I'm just applying it quite thinly. The braids are too big for the wig, so I actually have a solution. I actually apply the wig cap on but allow the braids to fall underneath. But this technique can only be done with wigs that have long hair so that it can cover your real hair and doesn't work for short wigs. This technique helps the wig cap be flat on your head and makes the wig look way more natural rather than having a bulgy side to it. After that, I just apply the wig and there you go. As you can see, the wig looks so good. I'm actually a beginner at wigs and I struggle to do them myself, but Affordhair's wigs have such good lace which I don't have to bleach and just apply without doing really anything, and the quality of their wigs is just bomb. You guys should really check out their website. The link is in the description for this wig and their website link is also at the bottom of the description. Shop now at Affordhair. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my other social medias, which are on the next slide. Bye.
Northside pulling shawty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up